Honorable Chief Guest Ravi Rangan sir, respected Principal sir, Vice Principal sir, and our STEM teachers. Good afternoon to everyone. Today we are explaining about a topic known as magnetism. I call upon Tushar, my friend Tushar, for explanation.
The magnetic field is an invisible region surrounding the magnet. We can see that the magnetic field passes from north pole to south pole. This would be seen when we sprinkle the iron fillings on the magnet. Now I call upon Yochan for magnet.
This is the model of magnetic pen stand. Here, this is the south pole, this is the north pole of the magnet and the south pole of the magnet. It attracts, but when we keep in some distance, it level it. So, here is the example. It spins without any support. It spins because of the magnetic field. Now I call my friend Bhuvan to explain about copper loops.
So, it is a coil. Generally, it is known as a copper loop. When we give charges from battery to the copper coil, it enters the loop and generates electromagnets, and it is known as electromagnet. When we sprinkle iron fillings on it, it attracts. It is known as electromagnet.
Me, Srujanel, is presenting the idea of maglev trains. As shown in the module, maglev trains works with a magnet which switches its poles like alternative. It is due to the hydrogen and the nitrogen present in the magnetic surroundings. The hydrogen atoms slowly heat up the magnets, making the poles exchange, and the nitrogen cools it down, making a low pressure area and making it return back to the original poles. Thank you, and I invite Puneet for introducing the generator.
So this is a generator. In the middle is a coil and wrapped with the magnet surroundings. When we turn it, the electricity is produced by the Faraday's law. When we turn this by our manpower, the coil inside will turn and the magnets will produce electricity, and the wires are connected to the coil which generates electricity. Thank you.